One of the things I really like about the Audacious lipstick is that it's a rich, dense color in a creamy texture. This is one of my go-to products because we have such a wide range of shades: nudes, pinks, plums, coral, red, orange. The variety is endless. This formula is so richly pigmented, you can apply it straight from the tube for a high color payoff with one swipe. I like to then go in and perfect with a brush for a more defined shade. Sometimes it's hard to wear this kind of bubblegum pink, but this one is still cool and sophisticated. Focus on the center of the lip and work the lipstick out so that you can easily refine the edges. I would apply the actual lipstick when you want a fuller coverage because one swipe will really do it for you. If you want a more refined edge or to polish off the shape of the lip, use a lip brush to refine. Okay, Vera is one of my favorites. It's such an easy color to wear. Sometimes when it comes to berry tones, they can either be a little too light or dark, but this one really works on everybody and any time of year. Reed is a timeless, fun color, and you could really wear it for any occasion. I just think that this is a color that works on everybody. Most women want a red lipstick, but they don't know which one to wear, and this is a go-to color because you don't have to really think about it. It's just easy and it looks great.